I got the Pulsetto vagus nerve stimulator after being a fan of Brian Johnson for a couple of years and seeing him talk about this. I figured it'd be worth a shot. Um, so part of my recovery that I'm doing with like Rife stuff and the BRT treatment is some of it is tuned towards my vagus nerve. So I don't really know what the vagus nerve is, for lack of better words. But from my understanding, it just helps with regulating stress and your overall homeostasis of your body. And if you've had long COVID or post jab long COVID like I have, you'll know that sleep is sometimes very hard to come by. When I was really sick initially, I could barely sleep, and I even had to get prescribed sleeping medication. And I'm much better now, praise God. But for a while, like sleeping was very difficult, and so I'm always looking to do stuff with sleep and like how to, like Brian Johnson says, become a professional sleeper. So I've got like a cocktail here of melatonin and magnesium and whatnot. Actually saw some different things Andrew Huberman said that I'm going to look into. Maybe I'll make a video update about. But for this blog post, I want to talk about the Pulsetto. Um, this thing works incredible. I just put it right on and you set it. I leave it at the desire or the automatic frequency of 5, or no, excuse me. I leave it at the automatic settings of 5, and it'll get a little bit of a tingle. Sometimes it feels like it's not really going, but then I'll notice it because it was so dull. And there was um, there was some nights where I would take this and I'd fall asleep right away. There was others where I would do this and I'd not fall asleep right away, but then I would sleep very well. And then I even tried not doing it for a few days. And what I noticed was on the days that I did not use it, I was in a bit more like pain the next day and I was fatigued dealing with the normal symptoms I deal with. So doing this seemed to help with sleep as well as just helping me to, I think, helping my body to relax a little bit. So if you were, or if you are dealing with what I'm dealing with, I would highly recommend this to help with your sleep. It says to use it twice a day, but I just use it once a day when I go to fall asleep, and it works like a charm. So, no affiliation, just making this vlog to document my recovery and hopefully help someone else out there. So, the Pulsetto, look into Dr. Brian John. Not, excuse me, he's not a doctor, I don't think, but Brian Johnson, he is kind of a longevity expert with Blueprint. Look into his stuff and hope you stay healthy. And thanks for listening. Peace.